Algebra 2 EOC practice test number 8. Which expression is equivalent to the square root of 16 a to the 4th x to the 6th when a is positive and x is positive? Alright, so this is just extra information so that we know that we're dealing with real numbers and not imaginary numbers. This part here doesn't have anything to do with figuring out how to simplify this expression. So if you want, you can just ignore this part. Alright, so the square root of 16, we know the square root of 16 is 4. Alright, and the square, this index is not here, that indicates a 2. So when we say square root, that indicates a 2. So 2 goes into 4 twice, so that makes that a squared. 2 goes into 6 3 times, and that makes that x to the 3rd power. So if we look over here, 4a squared x to the 3rd, M is the correct answer. And if you know that the square root just kind of undoes something squared, you know, that makes it an easy way to figure that out. All right, so another way to look at this is for the variables, you're looking at a, 4 divided by 2, and x, 6 divided by 2. That's how we got the 2 and the 3 there. All right, so the answer for number 8 is M.